March 15th, 44 BC. Rome's dictator is stabbed 23 times. The assassins called themselves liberatores, saviors of the Republic. They expected a hero's welcome. Gaius Octavius Thurinus, Caesar's grandnephew, adopted in the will, now Gaius Julius Caesar Octavianus. 19, sickly, no military record, but the kid had something better than a legion: receipts, Caesar's name, Caesar's fortune, and Caesar's legions waiting in the wings. His agenda was simple: revenge, power, eternity. Octavian was a political prodigy, not a fighter. His partner, Mark Antony, Caesar's legendary right-hand man, was both. Antony laughed off the kid's seasickness.
Kid, you handle the spin. I'll handle the swords.
The enemies, Brutus and Cassius, self-proclaimed champions of liberty, had 19 legions, but they couldn't stop the reckoning. At Philippi, it was a bloody two-day masterclass. Antony crushed Cassius. Octavian's legions then swarmed Brutus. 40,000 dead. Both assassins died by their own daggers. Octavian watched it all. Then, he pocketed Brutus's signet ring. A souvenir? A future propaganda tool? Both. The second triumvirate, the alliance that won the war, was dissolving. Lepidus, the third man, was exiled. Antony? He was shacked up in Egypt with Cleopatra, playing pharaoh dress-up.
Come and greet your new subjects.
Octavian, however, returned to Italy and got to work. He didn't parade, he paid. He confiscated land and distributed farms to 100,000 veterans. The soldiers chanted,
"Thank Caesar's heir!"
"Thank Caesar's heir!" Octavian just smirked. He made them rich. His propaganda was genius. One coin side showed him as divine son, with Caesar's comet blazing overhead. Flip it over: restorer of the Republic. Wait, what Republic? The Senate was a rubber stamp. Consuls were his yes-men. But Rome was exhausted after 2 decades of civil war. They'd trade liberty for bread, circuses, and, most importantly, not dying. The slogan worked. In 27 BC, Octavian played his final hand. He stood before the Senate and delivered his masterpiece.
I lay down my powers. The Republic is restored. Please don't abandon us. The Republic needs you.
The senators, utterly dependent on his stability, begged him to stay. He relented. In gratitude, they granted him the title Augustus, the revered one. Translation: Emperor in a toga onesie. He kept the Senate, the elections, the illusion. It was a genius move. Rome got a king who constantly pretended he wasn't one. This facade led to the Pax Augusta, 200 years of relative peace. He built the 14-mile-long Aqua Virgo. No more typhoid punch. He left Rome marble when he found it brick. He even closed the gates of Janus, signifying that war was over. Ignore the ambushes on the German frontier. The final irony is carved in stone. He claimed he pacified the sea, the land, the nations. The truth is, he found Rome bleeding and left it kneeling. The Republic became a ghost in a museum. But the Empire? Stable, rich, eternal. All because a sickly teenager played the longest, smoothest con in history. And the world never noticed the chains were gold. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to Portals Through History.